Here's how to insert pictures in Excel that automatically size to fit cells. Using the Insert menu. Click Insert. Click Pictures. Click this device. Alternatively, you can select stock images to browse Microsoft's images or online pictures to search the web via Bing. Select a picture and click Insert. The picture will be added to the cell. Right-click the picture and select Format Picture in the menu. Go to the Picture properties. Select Move and Size with Cells. If you change the cell size, the picture will become bigger or smaller with it. Using a VBA code. Press Alt plus F11. This opens the VBA Visual Basic for Applications menu. Click Insert. Click Module. You can find this in the drop-down menu. A new window will open. Copy and paste the code. Press F5 to run the code and repeat this process until all the images in your sheet fit into cells. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.